The first ruling for former President Yoon Suk Yeol has been scheduled for January 16th next year. This trial concerns obstructing arrest in a coup investigation, set to rule just 2 days before detention expires and Yoon's team opposes. Choi Hee-ji reports.
In January this year, the court has set January 16th next year for a judgment on the allegation that former President Yoon interfered with the execution of an arrest warrant by the high-ranking official's Crime Investigation Office. Taking the gravity of the matter into account, the court has announced that the final trial will be held on the 26th of this month, followed by an immediate ruling next month.
Under the Insurrection Special Prosecutor Law, a first ruling must be issued within 6 months of indictment. Since charges were filed on July 19, 2025, the verdict must come before January 19, 2026.
The detention period ends on the 18th of next month, which is why the ruling date is set earlier. However, Yoon objected immediately. In court, having been granted the right to speak, former President Yoon made a formal request to have the ruling schedule adjusted, noting that the significant trial concerning the coup leadership is, in fact, still underway.
In the ongoing coup case, if it is determined, following all legal proceedings, that this situation does not indeed constitute a coup, then the President's discretion regarding the situation must be respected without question.
However, the court clarified that whether the declaration of martial law constitutes a coup or is illegal is separate from the unrelated obstruction of arrest case. Legal experts are anticipating that the ruling next month will significantly impact other related trials. MBN News, Choi Hee-ji.